The Internet of Things is transforming our world with billions of connected devices. But for these devices to work together seamlessly, we need common standards and frameworks. Three major organizations are leading this effort: the Open Connectivity Foundation, oneM2M, and the Industrial Internet Consortium. These industry groups bring together manufacturers, developers, and researchers to create interoperability standards and best practices that make the IoT ecosystem work for everyone. The challenge facing the IoT industry is massive. We have billions of devices from different manufacturers, all using incompatible protocols and communication methods. Without standards, these devices cannot talk to each other, creating isolated ecosystems and frustrating user experiences. The solution lies in developing common standards that enable interoperability. These standards provide frameworks for seamless integration, robust security, and consistent best practices across the entire IoT landscape. The Open Connectivity Foundation, or OCF, focuses on creating a standard framework for IoT device connectivity and communication across all manufacturers and platforms. Their mission is to ensure that any device can connect and communicate with any other device, regardless of who made it. OCF concentrates on smart homes, healthcare devices, automotive systems, and industrial applications, with particular emphasis on direct device-to-device communication. Their flagship contribution is the IoTivity open-source framework, which provides developers with the tools they need to build certified, OCF-compliant devices and applications. OCF brings several critical capabilities to the IoT ecosystem. First, security is built into the core, with end-to-end encryption, secure device onboarding, and robust authentication protocols protecting user data and privacy. Second, the framework is completely platform-agnostic, working across different operating systems, hardware platforms, and network technologies without locking users into specific vendors. Third, the IoTivity framework provides an open-source implementation that enables developers to quickly build certified devices. Finally, OCF includes automatic device discovery on networks and bridging capabilities that can connect legacy devices to modern IoT systems. oneM2M stands for One Machine to Machine, representing a global partnership of 8 major telecommunications standards organizations from around the world. This consortium creates unified standards for machine-to-machine communication, and IoT, the primary goal of oneM2M, is to develop a common service layer platform that works across different hardware, software, and network infrastructures on a global scale. This enables seamless communication between devices, applications, and services across international borders and different technological ecosystems. The oneM2M architecture consists of 3 main components working together. At the top is the application layer, which includes user-facing applications and services that utilize IoT data and control connected devices. In the middle is the common service layer, which acts as middleware providing core functions like data management, device management, and security. At the bottom is the network layer, which encompasses all the underlying connectivity options, including cellular networks, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other communication protocols. The key innovation here is the common service layer, which allows applications to work across any network infrastructure, providing true interoperability. The Industrial Internet Consortium, or IIC, focuses specifically on accelerating the adoption of the industrial Internet of Things across sectors like manufacturing, energy, healthcare, transportation, and smart cities. Unlike consumer-focused organizations, IIC emphasizes industrial-grade reliability, safety, and scalability. Their approach brings together industry leaders, technology providers, and researchers to develop comprehensive frameworks, detailed best practices, and real-world testbeds. What sets IIC apart is their emphasis on practical implementation through collaborative testing environments where members validate technologies and interoperability solutions. IIC has made several fundamental contributions to industrial IoT, their Industrial Internet Reference Architecture provides a comprehensive framework for designing industrial IoT systems using proven patterns and practices. They have developed an extensive security framework addressing authentication, authorization, data protection, and threat mitigation specifically for industrial environments. IIC operates multiple test beds, which are real-world testing environments where members collaborate to validate technologies and ensure interoperability. Additionally, they publish industry-specific best practices covering deployment strategies, integration approaches, data management techniques, and operational excellence guidelines. While all three organizations work toward IoT interoperability, each has distinct focus areas and strengths. The Open Connectivity Foundation primarily targets consumer devices and smart homes, with their key strength being device-to-device connectivity through the IoTivity framework and certification program. oneM2M concentrates on creating a global machine-to-machine service layer, excelling at cross-network interoperability through their common platform specifications. The Industrial Internet Consortium focuses exclusively on industrial IoT applications, with their main strength being real-world testbeds and use cases that produce practical reference architectures and best practices. Together, these organizations cover the full spectrum from consumer devices to industrial systems. The future of IoT interoperability looks promising as collaboration between these organizations continues to increase. We are seeing harmonization of standards and frameworks, making it easier for devices to work together across different ecosystems. Emerging priorities include integrating edge computing and artificial intelligence, enhancing security and privacy protections, advancing sustainability and energy efficiency, and incorporating 5G and next-generation network technologies. These organizations are not competing, but rather building complementary pieces of the foundation for a truly connected world where billions of devices work together seamlessly, securely, and efficiently to improve our lives and transform industries.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.